Should have put more cheese. 2 slices would have been nice. Only put 1 in there though. Opened our last hot potato from Christmas. If you don't know what this is, I feel bad for you, son. Ooh, what are we having for dinner tonight? Gyro, Euro, gyro,
Mediterranean taco!
Mediterranean taco, gyro, Euro,
Gyro.
It's got solid. That's cool. You ready to fly tomorrow?
No. Well,
I swear, every thrift store I've been to has had this game for PC. But we've got 3 of them here. Should I?
Two nicely sealed cookies. Like good.
Read by the author. Look out. Hold on, let's go look out over here. Look out. Got a bug on you. Hey. Look out! Huh. Well, they needed to put their sideways tree somewhere.
It's just funny, it's got the moss on it.
It hadn't. This is a deceased bald man and his moss hasn't fallen off yet. That's actual history. I learned it from a teacher. I don't really consider myself a prepper at all, but check this out. I've already got frosting for Halloween. 75 cents.